Sorting is arranging a range to an alphabetical or highest or lowest order, or even arrange rows by colors or icons. Arranging data helps you visualize your data quickly and better. Sort. This is our form with names and salaries and other informations. I just added a started date column. Now I wanna name range to be sorted in alphabetical order. Select name range. I select name with pressing both Ctrl and Shift from keyboard. Press on down arrow key. The range is selected. Then from Home tab, by clicking on Sort and Filter, the drop-down menu opens. Here, sort from A to Z or Z to A. I select from A to Z. It is ascending order. A window pops up. Knowing these options are important. The first option is expand the selection. It means sort the name column as alphabetical order from A to Z and sort also other columns that relates to this name column. Be careful here. Only in rare cases we need to use the second option. Continue with the current selection. Second option just sorts the selected range, not other columns according to the selected range. I select Expand the selection. I have colored the first row to show you what I mean exactly. Press on Sort. Name column is sorted as ascending order. Also, the other columns sorted. As you see in the colored row, name cell is sorted and other columns are sorted too, based on Sarah. Now I press Ctrl Z to show you another option of sorting. This time I select a started date range. To show you sorting is not just for alphabet, it is also for numbers, dates, or even time formatted cells. Sort oldest to newest. This time I select Continue with the current selection. So you see, just date column is sorted, not the other columns in accordance with this sorting. Custom sorting. Sort by color. As you see, surname column is colored. I want to sort these cells by color. Again, go to Sort and Filter, then select Custom Sort. Here it says which column you want me to sort for you. From drop-down menu, select Surname column. Sort on. Here is the sorting options. The font color of this column is all black. Select cell color. Excel is wise enough to know which colors are used in these cells. It shows all colors which are used. In this drop-down menu, I select, for example, orange color. Now I can select to be on top or bottom. I select top. Then I add a level. Again, I select surname, cell color. The color this time is blue. I leave on top. Select copy level. It is copied. Just change the color. The yellow is remained. I select it and on top. All are on top. I expect to have an arrangement. First the orange surnames, then blue, at last yellow. If I select on bottom, the sorting is vice versa what we ordered here. Just take a note that Here, the options section is for the value of the cells, not the colors. If it is finished, press on OK. It is ordered as color with expanding the selection. Okay, this is called custom sorting. Let's select on bottom this time. Again, go to Sort and Filter and Custom Sort. Change on tops to on bottom. I expect first yellow will be shown, then blue, and the last is orange. That's it. We can also select one top, one bottom. There is no rule to prevent you. Also, with these arrows, here we can change the row of a level. More than one column sorting. Sometimes it is needed to sort just two columns. I select the range with headers. Select ID cell, press on Ctrl-Shift from keyboard, down arrow key, and right arrow key. That's it. From Data tab, we can select Sort. Even by right-clicking, Sort, and select Custom Sort, or go to Home tab and select Sort and Filter, then Custom Sort. The other two options finally reaches here. As you see, we had sorting as colors before. Now I'm gonna change the data. Let's sort origin and daily rate columns separately, but at the same time. One is text, the other is number. It can be both text or date or any other format. I want to select origin column. As you see, the column names are shown, not the others. Let's back and select a cell. Again, Sort and Filter, and Custom Sort. The header names are backed. Okay, instead of surname, select origin. Cell values, A to Z. Second column is daily rate. Cell values, it is smallest to largest. Select the last level and delete level. It is removed. Press on OK. It is sorted. Simple. Continue with the current selection. If I click on Custom Sort, the warning window is not shown because Excel only expands if it notices adjacent data. If I select a column or a range, for example the months range, let me select with its header. Then click on Custom Sort. The sort warning box is shown. Here, I select Continue with the current selection because I want to sort the range separately. I don't want other cells to be sorted depending on the cell. Then click on Sort. Because we have selected months, that's why just months is shown. Cell values, A to Z. Press on OK. Just months is sorted. The other cells are remain.